Hello students. Now we will discuss about electrolyte. Before it, in the last class, we discussed about ions and types of ions, in which we will see about cations and anions. Cations are discharged at cathode. Cations discharged at cathode and anions discharged at anode. Because cations gains electron from the cathode and get discharged, and anions release electrons, loss electrons to the anode and get discharged. In the last video, briefly we would like to explain about cations. Cations gain electrons, gains electrons from the cathode, and get discharged. Because cathode negative and cations positive. So cations are positive ions. It indicates that cations have lack of electrons. cations के पास इलेक्ट्रॉन की कमी है. कैथोड्स is negative. तो cathode is negative, that means it indicates the rich in electrons. That means it has sufficient amount or excess amount of electrons. कैथोड के पास एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, कैटायंस में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कमी है. So cations move toward the cathode to gain electron and get discharged. And anions, which are negatively charged particles, so anions loss electron and get discharged. तो ये लॉस किसे करता है? anions loss electron to the anode and get discharged. Anions lost electron to the anode and get discharged because anode is positive electrode and anions are negatively charged particles. That means anion has excess electrons and anode has lack of electrons. So anions loss electron to the anode and cations gain electrons from cathode. cations कैथोड से इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करता है, एनायंस एनोड पे इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करता है, एंड बोथ आर गेट डिस्चार्ज्ड. Now we will discuss about electrolyte. The new term is electrolyte. New term is electrolyte. Electrolyte, those substances which releases ions on dissolving in water Those substances which release ions on dissolving in water are called electrolytes. Those substances which release ions on dissolving in water are known as electrolytes. Those substances which release ions on dissolving in water are known as electrolytes. तो वैसे सब्सटेंस जो वाटर में आयंस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कॉमन सॉल्ट NaCl, common salt when dissolved in water it gives sodium ion and chloride ion. So sodium chloride is known as electrolyte substance. It is electrolyte. तो वैसे सभी सब्सटेंस जो वाटर में डिसॉल्व होने पर आयंस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, आयंस देते हैं, दैट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज्ड पार्टिकल्स रिलीज करते हैं, वाटर में डिसॉल्व करने के बाद जो सब्सटेंस पॉजिटिव या निगेटिव आयंस देते हैं वो सभी सब्सटेंस इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कहलाते हैं. जितने भी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सब्सटेंस हैं वो सभी के सभी पॉजिटिव एंड निगेटिव आयन से मिलकर बने होते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी अबाउट electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution. A solution which conducts electric current. A solution, a liquid which conducts electric current and at the same time undergoes a chemical change is called electrolytic solution. Or we can say those solutions which have tendency to be ionized during passing the electric current through it are known as electrolytic solutions. So those solutions which are ionized on passing electric current through it are known as electrolytic solutions. Those solutions which are ionized on passing electric current through it are known as electrolytic solution. वे सभी solutions जिनसे करंट पास होने पर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो करने पर आयनाइज्ड हो जाते हैं. आयनाइजेशन दैट मीन्स डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू इट्स कंपोनेंट आयंस. कोई भी सॉल्यूशन, कोई भी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सब्सटेंस जिस आयन से मिलकर बना होता है उन आयनों में टूट जाना ही आयनाइजेशन कहलाता है। दैट मीन्स आयनाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस of decomposition of electrolytic solution into its component ions. Ionization. What is ionization? The process of decomposition of a solution